Alright, are we ready? Do you want to introduce yourself?
Hi.
Hey, great, that was fantastic. Do you want to introduce yourself?
Hey, I'm Ben.
Hey, I'm Kate.
Sweet, you guys are going to be awesome. It's going to be great.
Hi, I'm Harry.
Yeah? Up to you, you can make a decision. I don't hold. Fish now. So it captures everything, so I'll reframe it later. So it covers everything, and then when I go home I have to choose what frame to choose. So I'll look at everything, so when you do that I'll have it on you for a second then.
That's so good.
It's very great. No, so if you want to you can, if you don't want to it's fine. Okay, don't worry. Thank you. We're going to go up to the top of the T-bar. If you want to get yourself into twos, that would be fantastic. Well, what you're going to do is you're going to stand up there and that guy will explain to you. Yeah. If you feel anxious or nervous at any time, put your hand up and I'll come and help you. Skier feedback, because I can ski. I mean, I can't ski as well as them. But it's pretty thick. see nice comfort on the hill there, nice movement of the turning our feet on the boots, very good stuff there. Yeah, well, let's ride on down to the next bit and I'll just stand back. Okay, come on guys.
On the ground. I tried. I've got a pretty good way of doing it. What about there? You know.
I'm not good at those.
Huh? You gotta do knuckle dusters where you get your hand.
Oh, that's so true.
Like you gotta go so low that you like scrape your hand on the
Oh yeah.
thing. That's a pretty cool thing.
I can do that one way, I can't do it the other way. On the snowboard.
Yeah, I'll do that. That's fair enough.
And everything.
Where are we going now?
Do we want to do that again? Is that helpful or not?
Down the bottom.
Of the T-bar, he said it's coming upwards now.
We can be a bump on the T-bar, yeah?
Some will be on their own though.
That's fine, I'll be on mine.
I'll go with Seb. That works.
Yeah, girl.
T-bar done.
Are you guys happy on the T-bar again?
Of course! Oh, that's a bit softer than I thought.
Oh my god!
I thought that was rock. I thought it was like hard.
Nice bit of pow.
That's okay.
Lovely.
We're all good. You don't have to press anything. You don't have to do anything. You just hold it.
Can I hold it shorter?
Yeah, wherever you want. You make it shorter.
Yeah.
Yeah?
It's pretty heavy.
Yeah.
Oh my.
Yeah,
I'm
Ah.
like, oh my god, that's like insane how you get like your legs behind you like that and like just like you're rocking back and forth. I don't know, like
If it
I
helps.
think I would go.
You're defying gravity.
My commentary when I was down there was like, fuck now, these guys are really good at skiing. Cool, yeah. If you
Is it on?
Yeah, it's on. You don't have to do anything.
Okay, today I'm working on staying on top of my board on my heel.